Right, here we are, viewers. Round at my brother's. He's managed to find a ZX Spectrum Plus 2, and we've actually got it on the big screen. Got to hold the power though at the moment, so I'm not sure how we're going to do it. And we're just trying to remember how to play something. It's got a load. I think you've got to do a load. Tape load. It says tape load.
Hit enter.
All right, and press play.
Insert the tape and press play.
What we're going to do, viewers, because it's going to like take dead long, we're going to just like pause it and come back. And Lee, have you got any tape? So I'd have to like hold this now for about 2 hours.
Yeah, I'll go and find some tape.
Right, we'll be back. We'll be back soon, viewers. Don't worry.
Press play.
Yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, it's going to be good, viewers. Stay tuned. We've got the best video on YouTube, Facebook that you've seen.
Mute it.
Yeah, Kath's not happy with the noise. Oh, I'm sorry, viewers. We're a little bit of a trouble. We got the noise. Yeah, we'll have to rewind it. Yeah, you'd be alright. Right, we've taped it up, viewers, so don't worry, I haven't got to spend ages. Just rewinding the tape. Does that rewind?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Not change that much, surely.
Right, let's have a go. Let's do it again. Of course, this is Deadpool. That's it. Let's play. It's going to be good, viewers. Honestly, stay tuned. Don't go off and watch something else. Don't start watching your iPlayer. Stay with us on Facebook. It's going to be good.
Going viral.
Cat's loving it. Oh, that screen's good. I mean, it's wasting time, but it's not loading the game when it's doing that. Well,
Alright, I see. So he's just loading that screen at the moment.
yeah. Yeah. Got oh no. There you are.
Yeah, same point.
Sorry, viewers. It's good though, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, what we've done, viewers, we've turned the tape over. We're going to try it on there. This is my sister-in-law who's loving this, aren't they? There we go. Right. We'll come back to it, viewers. Stay tuned. Okay, viewers, I'm afraid we couldn't get the jetpack thing going, but we're trying this one. Stay tuned though, don't be put off. Stay with us, it's going to be good. Yeah, we've got it loaded, viewers. We're just going to get... Did you say you got a joystick?
Yeah, I think I've got one.
Wayne's got a joystick. Lots of stuff. Yeah, it's going to be good. We need a Kempston joystick. Yeah, I like playing it now. Yeah, you got to stop the lines from getting to the bottom.
Oh, not really got that.
Yeah, the joystick's not so good.
Yeah, joystick's there.
Maybe the WD-40 will sort it out.
Spectrum.
Oh, that's great, viewers. There we are. Oh, we've enjoyed that. We have. See you later. Okay, viewers, we've got another game. I've never heard of this one in my life. Jack the Nipper in Coconut Capers. What on earth is that about? We've got absolutely no idea. 1987. There we go. But it's loading, that's the main thing. Good bit of telling
Like a
us.
platform
That's it.
game.
Yeah, looks good that. It's got a bit of sound as well, hasn't it? Turn it on. Sorry. Oh no, we're done. Yeah, it's that buzz in the background as well is good, isn't it? Ah, there we go. Alright, viewers, we'll let you go now. You don't need to watch us anymore. It's alright.